Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with MK Channel. I'm Olivia.
Hi, everyone. I'm Adam. It's great to see you again today.
We hope you are having an amazing day.
Today, we have another very useful English lesson for beginners.
Yes, today we are talking about how to speak English when you feel nervous.
Many English learners feel shy, scared, or nervous when speaking English.
And honestly, that is completely normal.
Yes, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner, too.
Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to Learn English with MK Channel for more easy English lessons.
Your support really helps our channel grow and helps more people learn English around the world.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, Olivia, do you still feel nervous speaking English sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I do, especially when speaking with someone new.
Really?
Yes, and sometimes people speak very fast, which makes me nervous too.
Fast English can feel difficult, even for good learners.
But with practice, listening becomes easier and easier.
Exactly. Confidence grows slowly over time.
Adam, why do many people feel afraid to speak English?
Most people are afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, they worry about grammar, pronunciation, or vocabulary.
But mistakes are part of learning every language.
Even native English speakers make mistakes sometimes.
That is very true.
Everyone, here is an important sentence. It's okay to make mistakes.
Repeat after us. It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Excellent speaking, everyone.
Adam, what should people do when they feel nervous speaking English?
First, take a deep breath and try to relax.
Speaking slowly can also help you feel calmer and more confident.
Yes, you do not need to speak fast to speak good English.
Another useful phrase is, can you speak slowly, please?
Repeat after us. Can you speak slowly, please?
Can you speak slowly, please?
Wonderful job, everyone.
Adam, what was your first English conversation like?
Honestly, very awkward.
Really? Tell us what happened.
I was so nervous that I forgot very simple words.
Oh no.
Yes, I wanted to say I am hungry, but I accidentally said I am food.
That is actually hilarious.
The other person looked very confused.
I can imagine that.
But honestly, mistakes helped me improve my English.
Exactly. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes help us learn.
Olivia, what helps you feel more confident in English?
Listening practice helps me a lot.
Listening is very important.
When you listen to English every day, your brain becomes comfortable with the language.
Yes, English starts feeling more natural little by little.
Watching English podcasts, movies, and simple conversations can really help beginners.
Especially videos from Learn English with MK Channel.
Of course.
Everyone, here is another useful phrase. I need more practice.
Repeat after us. I need more practice.
I need more practice.
Great pronunciation, everyone.
Olivia, do you think speaking English alone is helpful?
Yes, very helpful, actually.
Really?
Yes, you can practice speaking English in front of a mirror or talk to yourself at home.
Sometimes I talk to myself in English while cooking dinner.
Really?
Yes, I say things like, now I am making noodles. Now I am cutting vegetables.
That actually sounds like good practice.
It is, and the noodles support my English journey.
Adam always finds a way to talk about food.
Food is very motivational.
Adam, what should beginners remember while speaking English?
They should remember that communication is more important than perfection.
Yes, simple English is enough for real conversations.
You do not need difficult words to speak English well.
Small sentences can still be powerful and useful.
For example, I am tired. I need help. I like coffee.
These are simple sentences, but they work perfectly in daily life.
Olivia, what should someone do if they forget a word in English?
Don't panic. Stay calm and explain the idea using simple words.
Yes, communication is about sharing ideas, not using perfect vocabulary.
Here is another useful phrase. I don't know this word in English.
Repeat after us. I don't know this word in English.
I don't know this word in English.
Amazing job, everyone.
Adam, do you think confidence comes quickly?
No, confidence takes time and regular practice.
Yes, learning English is a journey, not a race.
Some days feel easy and some days feel difficult.
But every single day of practice helps you improve.
Even 5 or 10 minutes of English practice every day can make a big difference.
Adam, what advice would you give nervous English learners?
I would say, don't wait for perfect English. Just start speaking.
That is really good advice.
Because speaking practice is the fastest way to improve confidence.
Yes, the more you speak, the easier English becomes.
Olivia, do you think comparing yourself to other people is helpful?
No, everyone learns at a different speed.
Exactly. Some people learn quickly, and others need more time. Both are okay.
The important thing is to keep practicing and never give up.
Small progress is still progress.
Okay, everyone, let's practice together now.
Repeat after us. It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Can you speak slowly, please?
I need more practice.
I need more practice.
I don't know this word in English.
I don't know this word in English.
Excellent speaking, everyone.
Your English is improving step by step every day.
Remember, confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Don't be afraid to speak English with people.
Yes, every conversation helps you become stronger.
Adam, one final question. What is the best way to improve English speaking?
Practice every day. Listen carefully and never be afraid to speak.
Simple and powerful advice.
Well, everyone, this was a very important lesson today.
We hope this video helps you feel more confident speaking English today.
And now we have a question for you.
Do you feel nervous speaking English sometimes?
And what helps you feel more confident?
Write your answer in simple English in the comments below.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you so much for learning English with Learn English with MK channel today.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and never give up.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.